Hello children, hope you have done exercise 2.2. Now we will be starting with exercise 2.4. It's also the statement sum. First of all, we are doing question number 1. Understand the statement. The statement says Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 upon 2 from it. Now every time I suppose x, today we will suppose let the number be y because she has thought of a number. So let that number be y. Subtract 5 upon 2 from it. According to question, we subtract 5 upon 2 from it. So the number y will be upfront minus 5 upon 2. She multiply the result by 8. Multiply the result by 8. Clear? And result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. 3 times the same number she thought of. The number thought is y. I hope this is clear. She thinks of a number, subtract 5.2 from it, from term up front, and multiply the result by 8. And what the result she get? 3 times the same number. So according to question, multiply 8 into y, 8y minus 5.2 into 8, that is equals to 3y. 2 4s 8, 8y minus 5 into 4, 20 is equals to 3y. Now transposing 3y along left side, 20 along right hand side. Sign will be changed. 8y minus 3y, minus will be changed into plus. 8 minus 3 is 5y. 5y is equals to 20. So y comes out to be 20 divided by 5. So y will be equals to 4. So what will be our answer? So number third will be equals to 4. Hence required number is equals to y, that is equals to 4. That will be our answer. Okay children, now let's move to question number 6. It's a little bit tricky. Just understand the statement. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school. What the plot size is rectangular. In the Mohalli village, the length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So what you will suppose? Let the length of plot is equals to 11x unit. So let the breadth of plot is equals to 4x unit, and here unit is meter. We know what is the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangular plot is twice length plus breadth. Put the formula 2 into 11x plus 4x 15x, that is equals to 30x, and unit is our meter. Now understand, it says the cost at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. Therefore, cost of fencing the plot. Fencing means covering all around. That will be equals to 30x into rupees 100. So what it will be? Total rupees 3000x. Total rupees 3000x. Now he says, cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 5,000. So what will we do? According to question, total cost is rupees 3000 x. It will cost rupees 75,000, and we need to find the value of x. Again understand the case man. at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost village panchayat rupees 75,000. First of all, we have find the cost of the plot. Then according to question, total cost is rupees 75,000. So x comes out to be 75,000 divided by 3,000. Zeros with zeros cancel, we are left with 25. 3, 2, 6, 3, 5. Clear? 3, 5, 15. Now, what we need to find? We need to find the dimensions. Dimension means length and breadth. We have find the value of x. And what is x? X is general variable. So, length of the plot. 11 into x. 275 meter. Breadth. 4 into x. That is equals to 100 meters. So, that is our required answer. Hope this statement is clear to everyone. Just go according to the question and find the value. Yes, children, now we are moving to the question number 9. That is very easy sum. Understand it. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So what we need to suppose? We need to suppose first of all age of granddaughter. Let the present age granddaughter is equals to y years. Why I have supposed y years? Why to take x? You can take any of the variable. Therefore, present is grandfather. Now, will you tell me? Yes, it is 10 times older. So, it will be 10 into y, that is equals to 10y years. So, I have just gone according to this statement. Now, what this statement says according to question, he is also 54 years older. He is who? Is grandfather. Grandfather age is 10y years and he is 54 years older than his granddaughter. So x plus 54. Clear, children? He is also 54 years old. So according to the question, 10y is equals to this. Sorry, 10y is equals to y plus 54 because we have supposed the age as y. Now solve it. 10y minus y is equals to 54 years. 10y minus y, 9y is equals to 54 years. Y comes out to be 54 upon 9, that is equals to 6 years. So age of granddaughter 6 years. So what will be the age of present age of grandfather? 10 into 6, 60. Therefore, y is equals to 10 years. 10 into y is equals to 10 into 6, 60 years. Present age of daughter, granddaughter, 10 years. Present age of grandfather, 10 into 6 equals to 60 years. So that will be our answer. Now children, we are moving on to the 10th question. It is also an age problem. Just understand the statement. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. We have to find their present ages. So son says, let's suppose, let the present age of son is equals to x years. Then present age Aman because it's Aman's son. Na? So Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. So what will be the Aman age? 3x years, 3 times. But it says 10 years ago, we have discussed, ago means previous. So 10 years ago, age of Aman, 3x minus 10 years. Age of son, x minus 10 years. Now, according to question, what it says, 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son age. He means Aman. 10 years ago, Aman is 5 times his son's age. I hope this is clear. Age of Aman 5 times son's age implies, open the bracket, 5x minus 50. Now interchange 3x minus 5x minus 50 plus 10. Minus 2x is minus 40. Minus with minus cancel. So x comes out to be 40 upon 2. That is equals to 20 years. So present age of son, 20 years. Present age of Aman, 3 into x, 3 into 20 is equals to 60 years. So that will be our answer. Present ages of Aman 60 years and his son is 20 years old. Hope the concept is clear. Do revise all the videos and note down on your notebooks. Thank you.